Good morning everyone. My name is Vaibhavi. I am conducting this assembly. If you need to know the date winner. Thank you Ankita. My friend Aditi is bringing information about Kailash temple.
Bhajinagar in Maharashtra, India. The famous Kailash temple, rock-cut temple in world and replica of Lord Shiva's.
Answer: in 8th century, it declared as World Heritage Site. Right. Question 9 for 9th standard. Kailash temple is of which god?
May I come in?
Have a seat.
Thank you, doctor.
May I be of some help to you?
My stomach aches.
Okay. Show me exactly where the pain is.
It is somewhere near the lower abdomen.
Did you any symptoms?
No, doctor.
Well, what did you eat last night?
Actually, I had a party with my friends.
Oh, that's the reason. But don't worry. I am prescribing some medicines. Take them regularly and avoid eating outside.
Okay, doctor. Thank you.
Take care of yourself. Thank you. Pooja and Rajvi, this way our assembly has been completed. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye everyone.